Welcome to Jack and Mia's family.
This one's actually turning out pretty great.
Yeah.
You look like you're holding the world's most important book.
Oh. It is extremely important historical material.
That notebook gets more attention than dinner.
You look like you're designing a bridge, not drawing a house.
Okay, this one is finally presentation quality.
You really spent time on this.
Stay right there.
Dinner's ready.
I'm telling you, the perspective was the hardest part.
Helping means not dropping everything.
See? I'm very helpful. Wait, where is it?
Jack, what are you looking for?
It was right here. It's not under the table either. Where could it be? Did you check behind the cushions? We have to find it. This doesn't just disappear.
Okay, what are we actually looking for?
My notebook was right here.
You move things and forget all the time.
Not this time. I remember exactly. Okay, then we'll find it. This is not funny. Hey, we'll find it. You don't understand. Everything's in there.
Okay, what's going on here?
It was right here, and now it's gone.
Walk me through everything you did today.
I left it here. I know I did. What if it's really gone? This doesn't just disappear by itself.
We're gonna find it.
Panicking won't help. Did you move it?
Why would I move your notebook?
Because it was right there. It didn't grow legs.
So now this is my fault?
I'm not saying it's your fault. Shush! I'm just saying you were here.
All right, let's slow this down.
Wow.
Everything I worked on is in that notebook.
Why does this room feel like a courtroom?
He lost his notebook, and now, apparently, I'm suspicious. I just want it back.
Okay. Nobody's the villain here. We just need to search properly.
I should have put it in my room. Come on, you have to be here somewhere. If I were a notebook, where would I hide?
It's always the last place you look.
It's not in here either.
I should have just put it in my room.
We're still looking. Don't give up yet.
I shouldn't have left it on the table. Losing something doesn't make you a bad person.
Not in the kitchen.
It's not in the laundry room either.
All my drawings were in there. I worked on them for months.
We'll figure this out.
It's gone.
We're not done looking yet.
I should have taken better care of it. How do you lose something that important? Okay, think. What did I do today? Drawing, dinner, laundry. Laundry. Please be there. Okay, think. You were here the whole time. I moved it. I blamed Mia. I need to fix this. I found it. I moved it to the laundry room. I forgot.
I blamed you. I'm really sorry.
I was mad, but I know you didn't mean it. I should have trusted you.
When we make mistakes, we fix them, and we apologize. That's how we grow.
Sometimes when we are scared, we blame someone else. But the brave thing is telling the truth.
I'm really sorry, Mia.
Just don't blame me next time.
I'm never losing this again.
They're really good, you know?
Safe place this time.
All right, who's ready for bed?
I am. Don't forget to brush your teeth.
Please like and subscribe to our channel, everyone!